Hello guys, welcome to Junior Fixer. This is another C# tutorial. Today I'm going to show you guys how to create an executable file from your C# project. So over here, if you have a new project, then you go ahead and select it. If you don't, then you go and create a new project. So I have this project here, I'm going to use it. Alright, so this is my project. So over here in the solution, you can see that I already have the project here. So I'm going to extensions, then go to manage extensions. Then over here I'm going to search for installer. Alright, I'm going to install this Microsoft Visual Studio installer project, this very one. So download. So it will take some time to download. Once the downloading is done, you have to reload Visual Studio for it to take effect. So you can see your changes will be scheduled. The modification will begin when the app is reloaded. So we are going to shut it down and reload it. At the moment you close Visual Studio, you're going to see this installer running. You have to wait for it to finish the installation process. So you see this, then you click on modify and it is installing. You have to wait. Okay, so the installation is done. You see this message here. You close it, then you reload your Visual Studio. Okay, so welcome back guys. Over here in my solution, I'm going to add a new project. So I right click, then go to add and go to new project. So this is it. This project type has been added, setup project. So I'm going to click it and create a new setup project. Then you go ahead and select next. Okay, I'm just going to say inventory. Sorry. Create. Okay, so you'll be greeted with this screen. I'm going to click here, then right click on this pin, then go to add, then select project output. Then you have to select the project that you're going to use it, or you're going to create the setup for. So there's only one project here, inventory demo. That is it. Then make sure the configuration is at active, then you click OK. And you're going to create the configuration, or going to set up the configuration. So once that's done, we'll go ahead and create shortcut, and we are going to need the icon of the project, or the icon of the setup for the shortcut. So when you come to this website, you are going to get free icons, icons.com. When you come here, then you search for the icon that you want. So over here you can just select shop, or it depends on the project that you are working on. You can just select this, then 256 will do. Then you make sure you select ICO or ICU, then you go ahead and download it. So that's it for the icon aspect. So over here we are going to import our icon. So I'm going to right click and go to add, and you select file. Okay, so you go to the downloads or wherever you downloaded your icon to, then you select it. Once that's done, we go ahead and create our shortcut. You right click on this, then you go to create shortcut to publish. So this is the shortcut. You go here, then you select icon, then you go to browse, then you click on browse here, you select the application folder, and this is it. we imported into the application folder, so make sure you select that one, then you click on OK. Alright, okay, so I'm going to right click this, then rename it. I'm going to say the shortcut actually, so inventory management. Alright, so I'm going to move this to the user's desktop and user's program menu. So you cut it, then you come here, you right click, then you paste, then you come back to the application, then you create another desktop. The same thing, I'm going to give it the same name, another shortcut actually, inventory management. Alright, so over here you select the same icon. Okay, once you do that, then you cut it, then you come here, then you paste it. Okay, so that's it. You come here, then you make some customization, that's if you want it. So over here, the author, you can just change it to whatever you want. So I'm going to make my junior fixer. Then the manufacturer, same thing, junior fixer. Doesn't matter the name that you use. Okay, so once that's done, I'm going to right click here, then go ahead and click on build. So we give it a time, we have to wait for some time for it to build. Okay, so it has been built. You can see the build process is complete here, there are no errors. So if you want to see the setup file, you just right click, then you click on open folder in File Explorer. So this is it. This is the build folder. So over here you can see the release and debug, and it is here. When you select your project here, this one for instance, then you click on, it depends on the one that you choose here, whether the release or debug. So ours was in the debug mode. So for that to be the case, you have to come to the debug, then you see setup.exe, then the MSI file. This is the setup.exe is actually the shortcut to this very file. So you can just use this or use this one, but this is the main setup file. So if you want to install your project or if you want to install your software, you just click on it and you go through the installation process. So this is it, inventory setup. Yes, then it just going to install it. Okay, so the installation is done, and you can see this is our software, the shortcut of our software. And over here, the icon that we used in the preparation, that's what it that's the icon over here. So that is it. That's all the process. You can run your program from here, and this is it. This is what we have. Alright, thank you guys for watching.